Good afternoon, children. So next chapter we are going to start is cell, the fundamental unit of life. In 8th standard, I hope you have studied, you have understood why it is called as structural and functional unit of life. Structural means it is a basic structure of every organism. Like the bricks are important for the construction of any house, any building, same the structure of the construction of a body needs cell. The basic structure that makes a body is cell. So it is a structural unit of life. Functional unit of life means it can perform all the processes of life. It can perform all the functions of life. So it is called as functional unit of life. So I hope it is clear why it is called as structural and functional unit of life. Who discovered cell? You know who discovered cell? Robert Hooke discovered cell. How? Everyone knows, I think, how it was discovered. He was observing a piece of cork. Cork is nothing but it's a piece of wood. Okay, he was observing cork under his own made microscope. He was observing cork under his own made microscope, and what did he see? He saw some compartment like structures inside it. Okay, but they were dead cells. Okay, so that compartment like structures he gave the name as cell. Cell is derived from Latin word cellula. Cellula means a little room. So the compartments were very small, and so he gave the name cell to that structures. It looked like honeycomb. So Robert Hooke was the discoverer of cell. Okay, let us learn more about the discovery of other things. Nucleus, you know, cell has a nucleus. So Robert Brown discovered nucleus. And the first living cell was seen by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. He was the inventor of microscope. Okay. So the first living cell was seen by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. Protoplasm word. The word protoplasm was coined by or was formed by Purkinje. Protoplasm means it is the total of or it is sum of cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm constitutes protoplasm. Is it clear, children? So Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was the first person to see living cell. Robert Hooke, though he discovered cell, he saw the dead cells of cork. Okay, he saw the dead cells of sock. But the living cell was seen by first time by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. I hope it is clear. Purkinje, he gave the term protoplasm to the combination of cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is called as protoplasm. Okay, next, M.J. Shildon. There were two scientists, M.J. Shildon and Theodor Schwann. They gave cell theory. Theories are the postulates. Cell theories are the postulates given by the scientists which are widely accepted. Okay. And postulates means the statements. Statements are called as postulates. So M.J. Shildon and Theodor Schwann, they gave two postulates. What was the postulate? All living organisms are made up of cell. All living organisms are made up of cell. And the second postulate is cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Okay. They gave two postulates. Postulates are the statements given in a theory. Okay, which is widely accepted. Now Virchow. Okay, there was another scientist or biologist. Virchow, he modified the cell theory. Modified the cell theory means he gave one more postulate to the cell theory. So what was his postulate? All cells arise from pre-existing ones. Means cells do not directly they do not directly come. They are coming from the pre-existing ones. Okay, they are divided by the division of the pre-existing ones we are getting the new cells. It is also called, this statement is also called as omni cellula a cellula. Omni cellula a cellula. Okay. So this was about the discoveries of some of the discoveries of cell related to cell. Okay. I hope you have understood this much.